So today we're going to do this organization challenge. But before we start that, I'll remember from last week. So who can tell me what a lead is?
It's the thing that hooks the reader.
Yes. Okay. And what is a bridge? Bridge? Not quite. A bridge. Yeah? Not quite. James? Yes, it connects the evidence in the topic sentence. Okay. What paragraph would you find background information in? James? Which paragraph? So like first, second, third, fourth? No, not quite. Brooke? No. Yeah? Yes, in the first paragraph. Remember, so you want to state your topic sentence, like state the hook, and then you give some background information, and then you state your thesis statement. Which paragraph would you find your call to action? James? Yes, the last one. Okay, and then how many pieces of evidence should you include in each paragraph?
Oh, what?
Caitlin, yeah? 2 to 3, yes. Okay, so we're going to do an organization challenge today. So I'm going to pass out these little cutouts. So you're going to cut out the sentences. And then you are going to place them onto the organizer in the correct order. Once you think you have that right, you're going to work with your shoulder partner. Once you think you have that right, raise your hand, and I'm going to come around and check that you have it right. If I say you pass, then I will give you the next paragraph to do. And we're going to do 5 of these, so it's going to be 5 paragraphs. Yeah. You guys can be in a group of 3. Yeah. You guys can work in a group of 3, but you guys are working in your shoulder partners. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So you guys can work with your partners. You're going to cut them out, and then once I say you passed it, you guys can glue it down, and then I'll give you the next paragraph. Okay. Yeah, you guys need scissors. You don't already have it. I love that. You can use your notes if you need to. You told me the wordle. I haven't finished it. No, we told
I need help. What's that?
So, imagine not trusting me.
Dude, this is a big thing next week. I will say. I want the plastic one with this.
My brother could have
You can use your notes if you need to. It'll probably be really helpful.
No. Then it's actually something that gets. Yes. 25 times 2 is 60. And that's 25 times 2 is 50. Oh, wait. Why'd you lose? I knew.
You guys have.
Where's the worst word?
Yeah, because then my 11 is if it's normal, it's normal interest.
How does okay. I I know this.
Okay, let's represent paper and scissors.
I know this. Pick one out of
There we go.
Hey! Yeah, let's get
Right down to the- I'm gonna ask you about that.
This is the background. Yeah, this is the maturity.
Why?
Yeah.
You can still solve it before.
You're cringe. You're cringe. Wait, which one is that?
This, he's trying to hold my hand.
What? We done?
You guys finished?
I watched you. No, I'm gonna watch everybody.
That one goes right there.
You have to glue it on. Oh, yeah.
I watched the original episode.
You glue it back in there?
This is only the second one, and we have to do 5 of these.
Wait, do we have to glue it?
That's not evidence.
Hey,
I was just on episodes.
But I don't have it.
The loud review?
Yes.
Nope. Just
Yes,
kidding.
you guys
I
do.
feel like that's the loud review. I'm gonna get my notes. Yeah. That's all.
All
Everybody has to. Somehow. But I think that's how it goes. How it says, like how it fits. How you say this
I feel like the X-Files, except it goes down a letter.
Ghost of Tsushima.
So you know how the
Bro, I went to Ghost of Tsushima last night. The palm, bro. You have a palm?
I said,
I've never watched it.
Nah, you said you had a palm, bro.
I'm
guessing the Hit Boys.
how would you know if you didn't watch the anime?
Wait, what? The mom?
So wait,
That one was so yeah, I did it. But that one, like the double A.
I want to do the Wordle right now because I'm so weak. Oh.
the max,
We're Dion.
the max
Well,
days.
Yeah, we're Dion.
You're done?
Wait, no, this should be. But you know,
Okay. I'll do the next one.
Let's go! I knew it! Let's go!
Okay.
Oh! No, what the fuck is this? Skateboard. Hey, this says first. Yeah. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Are we supposed to glue it before?
No, so once you have it down, ask me and I'll check it and then you do it. Okay.
You guys remember what an anecdote is? Not mine.
Okay, so an anecdote is a kind of book that brings your reader in and wants them to agree with, right? So an anecdote is where you tell a story rather than setting
I'm gonna pop a wheelie. Ready?
So,
3, 2,
one of these is like telling a story.
Wait, I'm popping wheelie. Ready?
Describe a story about the setting, what you see, what you hear.
Like usual, you got the
Describing
Tucker, you wanna see a wheelie?
every day,
Ready?
sitting in the corner. So that one's gonna be your first one. Your hook. I know
Yeah,
it's topic
really,
simple,
bro.
it's supposed to be your hook. Yeah, and then that would be your second one. Yeah, you had that right. Okay, you guys can go down and I'll give you the next paragraph.
There's an algorithm that solves it.
I know, it's a lot. You guys
The
can do it.
power of writing homework. Okay, so there's the topic, sentence, evidence, bridge, conclusion.
Yeah, you guys can go down. I'll give you the next paragraph. Did you ever?
And you can't do anything.
Which one's which? Mine. This is my chair forever. No one can stop me. Which one?
Oh, remember, so when you have to.
That'd be such a waste. You know, be a really smart dad. Just getting all for like their days. Like every 2 days, you could have a free day for like a whole day, but you had to learn for like 24 hours, like 48 hours straight.
She said, every time it's as good weather for 2 days, the next day it's
We can just do it
this weekend has been really good weather, so the next day it's not first. And she knew it was gonna snow. Because never said that in the weather.
Your mom's gone. No, this is
Most of you guys are on the first body paragraph right now. Remember that your evidence is when you're citing an outside source. So you're referring to something else. It would be like, according to the New York Times. That would be a piece of evidence. And then your bridge is connecting that evidence. It talks about like why to prove your claim. In a topic sentence is your reason for the entire paragraph. It's the main idea for the entire paragraph.
Can you do a side? Can you really do a side? Can you actually do a side?
Yeah.
Where's
I don't want you all to do it.
Is the evidence has to be like perfect?
No, it doesn't matter. Like, yeah. Just as long as you put like the right one.
If it's not right, you can change it.
Oh, I know.
And Doritos and hot Cheetos were like.
Oh, no, it's not gone. We know nothing.
Push it.